In this video, I'm going to show you what I have found to be the best optimization settings for low and mid-tier PCs. These settings have been chosen and tested for Mythic Plus and raiding rather than outdoor or casual content. First of all, press escape, head over to options, and then at the bottom, click graphics. Here you want to make sure that you're on full screen windowed, set the resolution to your native resolution. Disable vertical sync. For low latency mode, I would suggest doing reflex and boost. I've actually found that this is an increase in FPS rather than thinking that the other options will reduce it. Turn off anti-aliasing. Now, when we scroll down to graphics quality, don't worry about the base game quality because we're going to change everything here. Just set shadow liquid detail to low. Particle density you actually want to have as ultra. Then from SSA to compute effects, disable those. Outline mode for good. Texture quality you actually want is high. And this is a very important one, is spell density. You want this as essential. Otherwise you might not be able to see important things. For projected textures, also have that as enabled. As this is a M+ raid specific guide, obviously you can have view distance as low as possible. The same with environment detail and ground clutter. As we scroll down to advanced, I would suggest turning off triple buffering. Texture filtering, have on one of these. ×4 for me seems fine. There doesn't seem to be a huge amount of difference if I do ×16, but I just keep it at ×4. Obviously disable ray tracing shadows. For resample quality, definitely pick this one if you have it available to you. Fidelity FX, BRS disabled, graphics API, the best that you have available, which is most likely DirectX 12. Physics interactions off. Obviously you have your graphics card. Now, most of these settings here will be personal preference, although what I will say is make sure you do not turn on target FPS. It just doesn't work efficiently and can be a bit janky. Now, at the very, very bottom, I have actually found that having all of these turned on is an FPS boost. I would highly suggest testing for yourself because some people find that specific ones actually increase or decrease their FPS. But for me, all of them on is a boost. Once you've done that, there are a couple of add-on tweaks as well that we need to do. So if you type /details space options, once this is up, I would highly suggest doing a little tweak to update interval. I've actually put it to 3.0, which updates once every 3 seconds. Again, this is optimization for the mid to low tier computers. Once that's done, let's open Plater if you do use it. Click Advanced, and then set this update interval to about 0.35. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.